That fine morning in a small fisherman's village was something I will remember for a long, long time. I met a fisherman with a small boat preparing for another journey to the deep sea. He does it almost every day to meet the requirement for fish for his family. We observed him for a few minutes, and I was amazed to see how he was preparing himself before the journey. There is another part of Goa we generally miss out, that is the mangroves. I was observing him very carefully, how beautifully he was preparing his nets for the next journey he was about to take. Those nets were only to catch the small fishes. A quick conversation with him made me realize no matter what I do in my life, I will try my best not to complicate my life unnecessarily. He said, and I quote, I catch the amount of fish which is only required to feed my family. The rest of the time, I'm just happy to sail. A kingfisher fluttered past. Below him, a heron poised at the water's edge in the mud. But apart from the deafening cry of the birds, the mangroves remained still and silent. When we talk about Goa, the first thing that comes to our mind is the beaches. Perhaps parties too. But what about the rivers, creeks, and mangroves? During our time in Goa, we were fortunate enough to discover another side to this beautiful corner of India. One that's far removed from the parties and cocoa huts of Goa's ever popular beaches. That greyhound kind of pulled me towards the deep and dense mangroves. Mangroves are very specialized forest ecosystem of tropical and subtropical regions bordering the sheltered seacoasts and estuaries. The unregulated urban development, increased pollution, altered distribution, and with increased tourism has resulted in the most destructive impact on mangrove forests. Goa has witnessed a sharp decline of mangrove area over the last 3 decades, from 20,000 hectares in 1987 to just 2,200 hectares in 2015. After having the discussion with the fisherman in the fishing village close to the beach, we had a look at the backwater just on the northern side of the Palolem beach. The spectacular mountains, along with the beautiful lush green forests and the water that flows through the river and submerged into the sea, really took us some moment to capture the entire beautiful, amazing, scenic beauty. Palolem Beach is situated in the Konkona region of Goa and known for its crescent shape and beautiful palm trees. The surrounding area of Palolem village is full of wooden huts by the beach. Palm trees and the beautiful and unspoiled beach makes it one of the best places for sunset photography in India. This beach is one of the top 25 beach reviewed by TripAdvisor in the entire Southeast Asia. It was an amazing walk on the Palolem beach. The soft sand touching our feet with the warmth of the sun was really amazing for all of us. Me and my friend decided to take a long walk up to the property that we're gonna review. The Rocket Cafe and Stay was a place that offers a lot of facilities. We are quite fortunate that the owner invited us to have a look at the property, and we took a walk from the beach and reached the property to have a look. The property is a beautiful one. The property has garden and beautiful cottages, along with the beautiful scenes that the drone captured was something that we will remember. The speciality of the property is the Ayurvedic massage center, which attracts a lot of people. We had a look at the rooms, and we had a kind of walk around the property and met the owner. It was quite an amazing experience. We will highly recommend people who wants to stay in Palolem do visit this property. There are a lot of options in online where you can book the property, and of course you can mail us if you have any query where we can help you to accommodate in this amazing place. There are a lot of tourists from different parts of the country and different parts of the world do visit to enjoy the Ayurvedic massage therapy offered by the places adjoining to Palolem beach. As I was having a look at the massage center, it was looking neat and clean and tidy. There is a debate going on nowadays as Goa has become the new Kerala when it comes to spas as massage centers. But some people complain the Ayurveda part is missing. Anyhow, compared to last 10 years, there were no massage centers that time, good, bad or dodgy. Now there are plenty of them mushroomed in everywhere in Goa. So you have to be very careful before you choose a massage center. Palolem is beautiful calm bay where you can stay in a comfortable yet eco-friendly complex. Just beyond is Pantanem beach, which used to be much quieter than Palolem, but with the tourist flow now things are getting busy. You can take a boat ride, a river joining the sea on northern side of the Palolem beach. Very quiet and more in 1960s than in 21st century. No jet skis, no reef hops or touts. Very good locals who make this unique place in India. One that the authorities could learn a lot from. More the sort of the place you can come to compose the music on the beach. Palolem beach offers a lot of activities which include scuba diving. There is canoeing and trekking tour.
So you're basically a fisherman. Yeah. That's your profession. Yeah. And you live Palolem. I mean, this is the place. Yeah. Your village is how far from this particular?
500 meters.
500 meters. And how? Who all are in your family? If you can tell. And how many members you have? Like 3 members. You and your married? Your wife?
Yeah, I'm married. My wife and my son.
Your wife and your son. Wow, fantastic. And can you tell me a little bit about your life? How you start your morning and what you do?
No, it's hard work.
Yeah, that's why we appreciate, because of your hard work, a lot of people are getting delicious food in their plates. So, are you happy with the profession? I mean, is it like a worth spending time? Fishing is a profitable business now. I mean,
profitable.
Profitable business. Yeah.
ขายที่ข้าวไว้แล้ว
And can you just once more tell me your name so that if I can put it on YouTube and I'll tell my viewers that if somebody wants to come and contact for any dolphin watching or anything, they can come, and contact.
Raghu
Raghugiri.
Duri.
Raghuduri. And your contact number?
84 120 248 65.
Fantastic. Thank you, Raghu.
Welcome.
Hello everybody. From this beautiful Arabian Sea, and as you can see on my back, I'm living behind the beaches, the beautiful beaches of South Goa, and I'm heading for a fishing expedition with the Pele family from the local South Goa. I think this is absolutely amazing considering the amount of adventure in it.